Hi everyone, today we're making a cornhole board out of saveBOARD. So I've downloaded the instructions from the internet and I've got a piece of saveBOARD better joinery. So watch my little time lapse and see how it happens.